start from the book of like, what y'all got going on?
What y'all got going on?
I mean,
Yeah, you'll hold. I hope might still be. You'll hold this side stationary. Hold it still, and then this side you'll twist. Kind of clockwise.
nice and tight.
We might have to find one from the other side. Is this the one we used the tire wrench for?
You might be right, cuz.
You might be right.
You might be right, cuz.
I might have it.
I think you're right. Man, I forgot all about that thing. Hey, what you see in over here at Walt There's one of these jobs. I don't know that much.
Bingo. Here. I'll hold the other side and give that one a turn. There you go. In there now.
Yeah. I'm glad we thought about this.
Thought I remembered it. There you go.
Dog, my legs are so beat up from the dirt bike. I just thought about it whenever I smacked my shin right there with this. And that
You want
way,
me to pull the toolbox down there?
yeah. I don't think I need too much. I don't think I do need too much.
Alright.
Now what? I just gotta get this out. About we going.
Alright, you'll pull that. Alright, you might want to let some, you might want to undo your tension bolt. Put some slack in the chain.
These are so really.
You know, it's look like a real slack. Compared to the Cruiser, that's a lot of slack.
I don't think.
But yeah, one will probably, there'll be two different sides. Probably, you just gotta get the one in the back.
Good.
I'm gonna grab the
Well,
metal.
yeah, you ain't this size, that's for sure.
I'm gonna grab the metal rake and start doing my.
Alright, cut. Say me and bro through here. I ain't just us. I got the wrong thing. I missed it. Oh, my fault. You got one too?
Yeah.
What, this come from the mystery box from Nope?
No, from Dad.
Oh.
From Dad is, they're crazy.
He said, why do you have this, Dad?
I know, that was my first thing I said. I was like, why do you have, of all people, he was the one that gave it to me. I was like, okay.
You know what, I really should have wrote these things down so I have it in my head next time and I already know what jobs I'm looking for.
Yeah, you're right. So you there?
Oh, these are overly big. I'm looking for ones that big. Not that big though. There's the yellow hammer. Not in there. So you just got some random things off of this, huh? Let's see if it's the right size. It is.
Hey now. Make sure you turn it the right way.
Left?
Huh?
Left?
No. No, just read the thread. And see they're declining going this way.
So right.
So yeah, so you'll turn the bolt that way, and you'll follow the thread. Yeah, so you'll pull up. Bingo.
Hey, cuz, you know I can't read like that, cuz.
Now, man, a lot of people are good about just doing, you know, upside down. They automatically know which way to turn or something, but I always look at them. But once you start here,
How much do you think I should loosen these? Just all the way?
yeah, just enough to wiggle the tire forward enough. Yeah. Remember where it was set.
All the way
So
up.
you got
All the way up.
what notch is on? 1, 2, 3. You got that sitting on the 4th notch on top of it. Yeah, that's what happened. Yeah, so it's sitting on top of the 4th grid.
Man, all my young boys would be AK and that's just
Man, whole time I had this John right here I could have used.
I mean, brother to be AK and that's just I'm getting on. He sweet. I was doing it sweet.
Oh, that's removing those.
Lord, look at them. The worms up there.
What is it, Shopper Joe?
And I need worms to go fishing with.
He said, well, I know where they are now. Think about how much stuff's under this.
On the water that come here and get worms with today, man. I've been sick. How's it going? How's it going? Oh, yeah, you got the other wrench in there?
You said they two different sizes. Oh, I just smacked my hand with that wrench.
Oh.
Right on the open part. I think I just busted it back open.
Yeah, there's a whole set of those box end wrenches. Word.
Me a bleed to PHK and it's
I gotta see if they're out here in the shed, but.
That thing green. I'm watching y'all, crew. I'm watching y'all, crew. Hey, you stop digging in the dirt. You stop digging in the dirt. Look, these cats done got you hairy. All these cats done got you hairy.
No.
It was me. They said how that we thugging in the deal. It was me. Nice out that we thugging in the oh. Cause I don't know if I'm just incompetent with that little wrench, the adjustable one. I just can't do that.
Where?
Look at this one. Right here in chocolate. I mean, you can see where I've had. You can see where I've had a hold of it.
Oh, yeah, you can.
Yeah, that's why I just not doing it.
Okay, we have to find you a wrench that size though. What size is it?
Yeah, I don't even know.
Yeah, I got a bunch right here. It's just great. It's hard to see it.
Alright.
That's my bad for being not organized.
No, you said they two different sizes, right?
Yeah.
Might be a 13 because I got a 12 and a 14 right here. That's what I was looking for earlier was a 13 because I thought I remember a 13 or so.
Okay.
Yeah, it's 12 on this side. That it?
This is not it, but it did grab it. So it's a little bit smaller than a half inch. But yeah, that did unloosen it.
That's good. I didn't even get it.
You gotta loosen that, and then you gotta screw that smaller one in. Yeah, and then you'll, that one loosen up there. And then this, you gotta screw in like this. That's it. And look, take this back.
Alright. Let me get, hold on, before you put those up.
Alright, yeah, I'm gonna do some more. I'm gonna
Oh, well, I was just able to slide that off.
What is it? That metal thing?
Yeah.
Alright, then. Yeah.
Like, I was just able to wiggle it off. Just barely. Yeah, what? Yeah, what?
That work.
It was me. That was talking to the cranks.
Yeah, I'll leave all the box ends right here.
So what, were all those too big?
These are all the two big ones.
We'll keep this one on the dirt bike since it works.
I got some tins. I got a tin. Alright, I got a tin.
Now we got all the tin.
Now we got all the tin.
We tried 10. I don't think 10 is it.
Alright.
10 is it.
Is it?
I believe so.
I got some other ones over here if you have to. I got 11, 9/16. I got a little Craftsman ratchet 10 and 9. Oh, that's handy. Not for putting the chain back on. Oh, kitty cat, what are you doing? Hefty. Hefty. Oh. Oh. Whew. What is it? Big butt. That's so heavy, you don't know what to do.
Oh, what? Cutthroat?
Yeah.
Hey. I don't know what it is. Mom says it's girl. I said it's
Whatever it is, it's got double. This thing big now. Oh, y'all got put out.
oh, Shabba.
Alright, come on, baby. Come on, baby girl.
Hey, we dug it in the crazy. Alright, cuz you should have enough wiggle room to come off now.
something I can fucking get into out here.
Wow. I was dug it in the grave.
That is hard.
What are you chewing on? Fire rock. Come on, cool.
Charger.
You tight?
Yeah. And it grew through the patch of grass.
It's still usable. Alright, well, I think I got this loosened enough to come off. I got a little gap between it. Now if I can just get it off, we'll be
And
good.
then remember you tap your axle nut on the side. Yep. Once it's loosened up, yeah, next up, yeah.
I just need to get this thing to pop off.
What?
Or we'll just pop off when I get this to pop off too.
Yeah,
Can I get where you got a rubber mallet?
I don't have a rubber mallet, but I do have one of those red rubber spatula things that you can put in between that and hit it with a hammer. Or you can use that jelly slide right there.
And smack it with a hammer.
Yep.
These jelly slides are coming useful.
Oh yeah, I know the jelly slide. Man, he's been there. Big boy hammer.
I will see if this one works somehow.
Alright. So yeah, jelly flip flop slide.
I'm about to run to the store, fellas. And get,
There you go. You've got all the weight off of it. You pull it all the way out.
Not the key.
You might have to get the wrench or whatever you had on here.
I know it would have.
remember you got all that slide.
Oh, I forgot about the slides.
It ain't no problem. You just got the wider one is on this side, and then the skinnier one is on this side.
I just gotta get this through enough to take out the legit fall.
Yeah. But typically, you have to hold the weight of the rim and tire itself up off the axle bolt. But it's such like a close tolerance where you just have to basically hold it level, perfectly level.
hey, Hansel. Want a biscuit? You want a snack? You want a snack? Oh, a treat?
Yeah,
You want a treat?
that will work. Or should I
Come
just get
on.
Looks like it's four-way. Cause that metal right there just scratches against my face. I thought it was small scratches. No, it's over big. Which side did you get on there? That should be right. That's it. What about that bike sale we got for you? Huh? Oh, God. Alright. Make sure you pull this on when you're doing it. Yeah, what the thing? The other thing. Damn, bruh. Then I got a piece of rebar. Alright. I don't. But I do have the next best thing. Here you go. Here you go. Take that wrench off. Oh, you're right. Oh, yeah. Oh, because it's been wet too, and there's that.
Now look here, you need to clean all this up. Yeah. Let's get it took it off. We'll get greasy up stuff.
Ooh, yeah. Oh, it's just mud in there, that's why.
Come on. Let this go. Bro, compared to how you were doing it last time though, I can already see that you've learned like a good bit on your own. You see that? Bro, you just did all that. There goes that same plane way over there, that bright red one.
I can't even see it,
The one over there.
Okay, I'm gonna run to the store and get mine, bleach, and toothpaste real quick.
Alright, baby.
I just dread to make it dark.
Is Ace Hardware open? Do you think we can find your mom something cute at Ace Hardware? Birdhouse? I just thought about that because I was gonna grab it back for your sister's dress, you know? And I was like, oh, mom here. We didn't ever give gifts for us?
Yeah, I didn't know if I was... Oh, I got video recording of it. I know if someone to do that or not.
Well, that thing really did come up my hand. I figured out what it
Yeah, I seen it do the second go around. I seen it, I was like, oh man. Oh, grab the spoons out of your mom's car.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Can't let them go.
shot. Like, just stand off. Look, you make the bed rock. Say hop out the pickup, you make the bed rock. Screaming a little motor and caught a headshot. The bed rock. Fox, I remember how you know what? Body here. Knuckles are just gonna beat up today. Hopefully I can get a parlay. Oh, what is that? Bluff will make it. Hop out the pickup and make the air rock. Lucky Moto caught a headshot. I don't even know, I'll be back, y'all. I gotta go get some help. Oh, there it is.